How did China get in there? And why are they the factory of the world? What are the core components that went into them being able to produce all of the things that we use on a daily basis at a fraction of the price that they're able to produce them here?
Tim Cook of Apple gave a really interesting interview a couple weeks ago, and he said, "You might think that we manufacture iPhones in China because it's cheap labor." And he said, "That's not really true anymore. It used to be, but China is not the cheap labor country anymore. That's moved on to Bangladesh and Cambodia and other places. The reason they manufacture in China is expertise." And I think it's okay to admit, and people should admit, that your country and also your company and you individually can be very good at some things and not very good at others. China is just extremely good and extremely talented at particularly like low end manufacturing. Low end can be anything from, inflatable swimming pools to on up to like basic electronics. They're extremely good at it. I was talking to a CEO a couple weeks ago, and he said, and he's generalizing here, but he said, if you go to a Chinese factory and you say, I want this part made, and here's step one, step two, step three on how to make it, they will do it better than anybody in the world. Nobody can beat them at that. But if you go to that same factory and you say, please go design me a new part, they're not very good at it. Americans are way better at that. And that's why the back of your iPhone says designed in California, made in China.